Hi, 7th grade. Today we are going to start in chapter 13 with translations. Translations are a type of transformation. There's 3 different ones that we're going to be focusing on. A transformation is a change in position, shape, or size of a figure. Translation is a slide. So if you were thinking we're going to be mostly working with triangles, if it's already graphed on a coordinate plane and then we move it, whether we move it to the side or if we move it up, the direction will be in the directions, and that will be our job today. That's what a translation is. It's a slide. The figure is moving somewhere within the coordinate plane. So the definition the book gives is that each point of the figure will move the same distance in the same direction. And we'll do an example so that that's clear. The figure that you have after you've moved it, right? So the original one stays and then you create a new one. That's called an image. And when we label an image, we use the same label that was given. So if it was triangle ABC, we're going to use ABC again, but we add this little apostrophe and we call that a prime. Let's take a look at an example. If we have a coordinate plane, this one should go in your notes and you might want to use graph paper. But for our second example, you can use your whiteboards if you have them handy because there was a coordinate plane that we put in there. All right, so in this first example, we have QRP as our triangle. And this example comes from your book on page 494. And the directions say that they want to translate this 6 units to the right, so 6 to the right, and 3 units down, so 3 units down. So if I start with Q, if I move it 6 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that would be here. And then from there, I need to go 3 down, 1, 2, 3. This is Q prime. Okay, and then we'll do the same with R and P. So R, I'm going to go 6 to the right and then 3 down. And that's R prime. And then lastly, I have P. I connect my points for my new triangle, which is exactly the same size and shape. It's just translated to a new location. I'm going to have you guys try one. This is the one that you can do on your whiteboards if you have them handy. You can pause it and grab it if you need to. If you don't, just do it in your notes. This is the quick check number 1. The information they give us is that we have triangle JKL at these locations, and we need to translate it 4 to the left and 5 up. So, first thing I need to do is plot. So 0, and then up 2 is J. K is over 3, and up 4. J, K. L is 5, and up 1. So this is my original shape, a triangle. And now we're going to move it 4 to the left and 5 up. So L, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left, and then 5 up. It's going to be here. And this is L prime. J, 2, 3, 4 to the left, 5 up. So that's J prime, and then K, 4 to the left, 5 up. Is up here, and that will be my K prime. Okay, so the same triangle, the same shape, it's just moved its location. It's slid over and up. The second part of today is describing what you see. Okay, so going back to what we did here, we copied and moved it. The second part of today, they're gonna give you two shapes like this, and you're gonna describe what happened from Q by itself to Q prime. So you're going to say that it went down 3 and to the right 6. Okay. If you have questions, I'll be on for office hours at 2:15. Today we are going to be on page 496, and we're going to be doing 8 problems, 7 through 14. Give those a try. Let me know if you have any questions. Make sure you send pictures of your completed work.